This is the Financial News Network. I'm Stephanie Shu. Medtronic announced today the global launch of its new tricuspid ring for the treatment of heart valve disease, the Contour 3D Annuloplasty Ring. Designed to restore normal valve function by remodeling the natural valve's shape and size, the Contour 3D Ring is approved for use in the U.S., Europe, and several other countries. According to the company, the Contour 3D Ring will offer surgeons the opportunity to choose a three-dimensional remodeling tricuspid ring with a true anatomical profile. It will help in minimizing stress of the valve leaflets and optimize valve performance. Shares of the company are down 2% to $37.31 on the news. For further news updates, stay tuned. You're watching the Financial News Network. I'm Stephanie Shu.